So hi everyone. So in this part, I will discuss. What are the difference between the Mealy machine and the Moore machine? Actually, for the sequence detecting, I will use these two machine. Okay. So firstly, here I will discuss what are the Mealy machine. So Mealy machine. In case of the Mealy machine, output is depend upon the present state, means the current state as well as the input. Okay. Two things you need to remember. In case of the Mealy machine, the output is depend upon present state as well as the input here. So here you can see by the help of circuit, the in any combinational block is there, it will give the next state. Here the memory is there, and there is a present state. Okay, and it is the output combinational logic. Okay, so the here the output block. So the output is depend upon the present state as well as the input value. Okay, so that thing I told here. In case of the Mealy machine, output is depend upon the present state as well as the input. Here you can see. Okay, but now I will discuss the Moore machine. So in case of the Moore machine, the output is the depend upon only on the present state. The difference, what are the difference? In case of the Moore machine, output is depend upon only on the present state. But in case of the Mealy machine, output is depend upon present state as well as the input. Okay, so if you draw this, then you can also draw the Moore machine. In case of the Moore machine, output left. Okay, output is depend upon only on the present state, not on the input. So this is the two big difference of the Mealy machine versus the Moore machine. Okay, so in case of the Mealy and Moore machine, in case of the Mealy machine, output is depend upon present state as well as the input. But in case of the Moore machine, output is depend upon only the present state. So this is the first difference. Here I am telling what are the difference between Mealy and Moore machine. Actually, in the most of interview, this question interviewer will ask what are the difference. Okay, and the second point, in case of the Mealy machine, the less number of state is required. Suppose a sequence are having 4 bit. Suppose I am considering one example. Suppose we have a sequence 1 1 1 1 and 0 1. The sequence having the 5 bit 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 bit. So this sequence, if I design with the help of the Mealy machine. Okay, if I design with the help of the Mealy machine, so for that case, so in case of the Mealy machine, if I design this if I detect this sequence with with the help of the Mealy machine, so we need only the 5 state. Okay, because of that, what number of bit is there, so only that amount of the state we need. Okay, so here the 5 bit is there, so only 5 state is required. So that's why I wrote here, in case of the Mealy machine, less number of state is required. Okay, but in case of the Moore machine, one more state required compared to Mealy machine. Means means one more state required more in case of the Moore machine. So I mean, this sequence, if I detect with the help of the Mealy machine, we need the 5 state. Okay, but this sequence, if I detect with the help of the Moore machine, so we need 5 state. Okay, the five so so that thing I am telling here. Okay, so if I detect this sequence with the help of the Mealy machine, we need 5 state, and with the help of the Moore machine, we need the sixth state. Okay, so I mean, that thing I told here. Okay, in case of the Mealy machine, the less number of state is required, but in case of the Moore machine, one more state is required more. Okay. And the third point, it is sensitive to glitch. Means the Mealy machine, it is sensitive to the glitch is the unwanted state. Actually, it is the unwanted. Glitch is unwanted state. So unwanted state means in the actual count state, if anything is come, that is the unwanted state, glitch. So in case of the Mealy machine, there is a problem of glitch, but the Moore machine, it is free from the glitch. Okay, this is the difference. And in case of the Mealy machine, if I design with the help of the flip flop, less number of hardware is required, but in case of the Moore machine, more number of hardware is required. Of course, so here if a 5 bit is there, If I design with the help of the Mealy machine, only 5 state is required, but with the help of the Moore machine, if I design, the 6 state is required. So the more number of hardware is required in case of the Moore machine, but in case of the Mealy machine, less number of hardware is required. Okay. So these four difference. The firstly Mealy output depend upon present state input, but in case of the Moore machine output depend only on the present state, and in case of the Mealy machine less number of state required. Moore machine more number of means one more state required more, and the third point is the Mealy machine it is sensitive to glitch. Okay, glitch problem is there, but Moore machine it is free from the glitch. Okay, and the Mealy machine for designing the less number of hardware required, but in case Moore machine more number of hardware is required. Okay, so this is the thing I discuss here. The what are the difference between the Mealy machine and the Moore machine. Don't worry about the glitch. So glitch I will discuss more about it in the sequential circuit. Okay, so here I discussed the what are the difference between the Mealy machine and the Moore machine. So in the next part I will detect the any sequence with the help of Mealy and Moore. In the separate video, I will discuss each and everything. Okay. So thank you everyone. So this is the part, and this is the very interesting question. What are the difference between them? Okay. So thank you.